Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: the incredible healing benefits of aloe vera. You may have heard of this remarkable plant before. But did you know that it offers a wide range of therapeutic properties that can benefit your health and well-being? In this video, we'll dive deep into the 5 healing benefits of aloe vera. So, let's get started. Benefit number 1, soothes sunburns. First up, let's talk about how aloe vera can soothe sunburns. We all love spending time under the sun, but sometimes, those rays can leave our skin red and painful. That's where aloe vera comes in. Its cooling gel provides instant relief and helps to reduce inflammation. Applying aloe vera gel to sunburned skin can not only calm the burn but also aid in the healing process. It's a natural remedy you'll want to have in your beach bag. Benefit number 2, hydrates and nourishes skin. Next, let's explore how aloe vera can hydrate and nourish your skin. If you're looking to improve your skincare routine, aloe vera is a must-have ingredient. Its gel is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can moisturize and rejuvenate your skin. Whether you're dealing with acne, dryness, or signs of aging, aloe vera can work wonders. So, consider incorporating it into your daily skincare regimen for a healthy, glowing complexion. Benefit number 3, supports digestive health. Moving on, let's talk about how aloe vera supports digestive health. If you're experiencing digestive issues like bloating or indigestion, aloe vera can provide relief. Consuming aloe vera juice or gel can help soothe your stomach, promote better digestion, and support a healthy gut. It's a natural and gentle way to maintain your digestive wellness. Just make sure to choose a quality aloe vera product that is meant for internal use. Benefit number 4, boosts immune system. Now, let's explore how aloe vera can give your immune system a boost. Aloe vera contains essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help strengthen your body's natural defense mechanisms. By incorporating aloe vera into your diet or skincare routine, you can support your immune system and enhance your overall well-being. It's a fantastic addition to your wellness arsenal. Benefit number 5, enhances hair health. Last but not least, let's discover how aloe vera can enhance your hair health. If you're dealing with dandruff, an itchy scalp, or dull hair, aloe vera can come to the rescue. Its nourishing properties can help reduce scalp irritation, promote hair growth, and leave your locks looking healthy and vibrant. You can find aloe vera in various hair care products or even create your own DIY hair mask. It's time to give your tresses some aloe vera love. And that wraps up our exploration of the 5 incredible healing benefits of aloe vera. From soothing sunburns to enhancing hair health, this remarkable plant has so much to offer. Remember to choose high-quality aloe vera products or, better yet, grow your own aloe vera plant if you can. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos on natural remedies and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.